because I don't always want to wear a mask, I've got this like mixture I make that I use for the inside of my nose, kind of like an over-the-counter thing. Can't say the name, but you know. But I wanted to share with you how I make it. So I press out some of the rose ointment, Young Living's rose ointment, and put it in a little 1 ounce container that I have. You don't need very much in there because the oils will fill the rest. And then I'm going to put like 2 drops of Thieves, which is immune support. I'll put 3. And then I'm going to put in Elemi, which is a cousin to frankincense. It's a little less expensive, but just as powerful. So 3 drops of that. And because it's such a small container, you don't need very much oil. So then this is my saving grace oil when I need breath support, lung support. So I'm going to put 3 drops of that in, or 4. And then I'm going to put a little bit of longevity in here because it's got thyme and clove and frankincense in it, which are all really good immune supports and respiratory support. So I put 4 drops of that in there. And I was going to put in, I usually put in Exodus too, but I don't think I'm going to today. I think I'm going to try something different and put a little drop of CBD oil in there. Because again, all of this is food for your body, right? And so I just want to make sure I've got all the support I need. So I put 7 drops of that in there. And then I'll just mix it and use that as my inside the nose protection, because I don't always want to wear face protection, but I want my nose to be protected. So this is what it looks like. And then you just stir it up either with your finger or with a really clean paper towel, paper clip. So that's what I use. All right. Hope this helps you guys. You can put in whatever immunity oils you want. And you can also put it on your Aroma Ring when you're soaking it overnight, or if you need like a quick something to put on it. So there's my go-to recipe.